Karnataka Minister K. Muniyappa has said that he will hold a meeting on April 10th to address the ongoing Auto LPG shortage affecting Bengaluru and other regions. The shortage has disrupted auto services, with long queues reported at fuel stations as drivers struggle to access LPG. The minister indicated that price hikes by private suppliers have worsened the situation, pushing more drivers toward public sector outlets. Officials said public sector outlets are selling Auto LPG at around 89.52 rupees per litre in Bengaluru, while private companies are charging between 99 and 105 rupees per litre. This price gap has led to increased pressure and longer wait times at government-run stations. After meeting auto drivers' representatives, Muniyappa stated that the government is aware of the distress faced by drivers and is working on a priority basis to resolve the issue. He added that representatives from private companies, central government agencies, oil firms, and state officials would be part of the upcoming discussions. He also pointed to global factors including the West Asia crisis as contributing to fuel supply challenges and called for coordinated efforts to manage the situation. The government is expected to take corrective steps following the April 10th meeting to ease supply and stabilize prices.